Hello, tree lovers. I'm Joe Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. One more video real quick that we are at Dogs Inc. in Palmetto, Florida. Dogs Inc. trains guide dogs and gives them to veterans that need them. This place got whacked pretty hard by the two hurricanes that came through here recently. And all these trees that are braced, there's one over there, one there, one there, 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. All of them got blown over pretty strongly. One of them right here, some more over there, and some more in the backyard over there. But this is a new customer, and we were able to get their trees all fixed up for them, so they love us right now. And just wanted to let you know what we do, so that when you're ready to get big trees for your yard, you will know who to call. The Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. Call us from there and we'll get trees in for you. Have a good day.